Are robots really taking over our world? The answer may shock you. With advancements in artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation, the rise of robots in our society is becoming more prevalent than ever before. But what does this mean for us? As robots become more intelligent and capable, they are starting to take over tasks and jobs that were once reserved for humans. From manufacturing to customer service, robots are being utilized in various industries to increase efficiency and productivity. While this may seem like progress, it also raises concerns about the future of work. Will robots eventually replace humans in the workforce? And what will happen to those who lose their jobs to automation? These are questions that we need to address now. But it's not all doom and gloom. With proper regulation and oversight, we can ensure that robots are used to enhance our lives rather than replace us. It's important for us to stay informed and engaged in the conversation about the role of robots in our society. So, what do you think about robots taking over? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on the future of AI and robotics.